I know I got a surprise for y'all. Sorry, the birds. I'm gonna take this loose one first. Everybody told me. Yeah, I'm sorry to record the birds on here. So I see the birds on here. Yeah, I'm trying to see if that blue bird come back. The blue bird's coming. I know my grass need to be trimmed. Somebody help me trim my grass. Hire somebody for me. Yeah, yeah. I try to record the birds also. Well, I got one. So I see something outside, a bird. If I can get it on time. See, I can see that bird on the power line right, y'all. I see I'm recording the bird on the power line. Yeah, I'll just show y'all the bird on the power line also. See, I was recording outside, the bird outside. Y'all saw me. See, y'all saw that bird on the power line outside, the blue bird, all gone.